Synthetix, currently trading at $5.39, guys, with a market cap of $619 million. Ticker SNX, currently ranked 119 on the list. Before trading or hodling or getting a part of this cryptocurrency, what is it? Synthetix is a decentralized finance DeFi protocol that provides on-chain exposure to a wide variety of crypto and non-crypto assets. Now I'm going to show you a little bit more about it when it gets to the website and more about the breakdown, guys. But the protocol is based on Ethereum, the ETH blockchain, and offers users access to highly liquid synthetic assets. Okay, guys. So let's get to the market. Let's see what markets they're a part of. If you guys want to trade this, is there on Binance, Coinbase, UB Global, FTX, BitThumb, KuCoin. So they're on pretty much the top ones. Usually anything that's on the top, rated in the top 150 cryptocurrencies, they're going to be on pretty much all the big exchanges, so you guys can trade or hodl this, okay? Let's see about the price rating. Now, Symmetry gives them a B+. I like, oh man, I'm so happy that cryptocurrencies have a rating, so showing that other companies have looked into it. And, I don't want to be, I'm not the best cryptocurrency trader or, the diver into the research, but there's two rating systems. You got to see when they, implemented them, when they do the report, break it down. So just, learn more about it. This one's rated pretty high, top 95, top 90% of cryptocurrencies out there. So that is pretty high on the rankings list, especially the ones I've been going over just of recent. So if you guys want to learn more about these guys, or I can break down the detail in these ratings, just let me know. Drop a comment below. Well, let's get to their website and the news, okay? So Bitcoin, this is just general news about Bitcoin, about them cryptocurrencies. I haven't found anything specific to this cryptocurrency, but let's get to their website, okay? So the derivatives, liquidity, and protocol. Basically, this is a Synthetix, a new financial primitive enabling the creation of synthetic assets. So, it kind of gives me the thinking to that movie called The Big Short, when there's tranches and there's synthetic assets built on more synthetic assets built on higher synthetic assets. This little background thing. Just if you want a good movie that I like to watch about, especially about market crashes or bubbles, just watch The Big Short. It's on Netflix, or it was with that guy. I forgot his name. He's in the Office, or what's his name? I forget the name right now, but they talk about why Synthetix capture the price movements of popular cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, stocks, commodities, and others that are more with zero slippage. Oh my God, slippage is a big thing, especially when it comes to if you get this order and you try to place it and do like a buy stop or anything, and it doesn't hit it and it's a little bit off. That's slippage. I when I do my orders and I'm programming, my slippage is like 2 pips. I don't want anything above that. How you can stake and earn, train Synthetix, and that's basically the setup for there. If you want to learn more about how you can get a part of their different assets that you can trade or be a part of it, just go through the website, guys. But I'm gonna jump off the bat. Let's go right into the price prediction. So look at the current price right now is at $5.29, guys. This right here, if you look at it, all this big wick right here, I think we're gonna hit this zone of the $4.50 zone and bust right through. That's with that much selling pressure is happening. And my price target is going to be through here, and we're going to head down to this low right here, the $3 flat price. That's the price prediction, guys. $3 flat. And with this amount of volatility, there is no possibility that I'll be placing any type of order in that. No buy limits, no sell stops, none of that. It's going to be just price prediction. It's called price alerts. So I'm going to set price alerts here at the middle, so at $4.50 price alert, and then down here. Now, I don't want to. This is extremely volatile. With this amount of down pressure, we might overshoot this a little bit to head back higher, kind of like this. So we might hit the zone, overshoot. Now I don't know how much, but it's a possibility that it might shoot down lower to hit back up to go back to this price, this zone, kind of like a wick, maybe like one wick down, and then head back up, and that's what I want. I want to be where it goes up, down from here. And this price point is a $2.50 zone. $2.50 is the price prediction. And to bounce back up. I don't want to get any involved down here. I want the trend to, I missed this trend. So if I was going to short it, which I usually don't short cryptocurrencies, I usually short. If I do, it's only like Bitcoin, Ethereum, the Litecoin, some of the bigger ones. Not like this one. I think it's like ranked number 119. So I don't want to do that. So I was going to do is place price alerts, limiting my risk to 0, because I don't want to be involved in that. And then if it does this, does a massive wick and shows that there's some pressure to buy up, some upward movement up, then I'll look at putting either a buy stop and getting into that trend up to see it back up. But that's my plan, guys. Price prediction $2.50. After that, if it doesn't do that, I can make another video saying that I'm wrong and explain what happened, because there's gonna be more data, more information about it reversing or it going other ways or it staying flat. I can talk about it in another video, but that's the video, guys. I'm going to get to my website. If you have any questions about the price prediction, just link them below. But here's my website, guys, Andre J. McClendon. If you want to learn more about trading, investing, indicators, building EAs, or indicators, just let me know. I do all that. I program quite often. So if you guys want to learn more about that, have that session, learn more about Forex, just have that. But like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.